Alright guys, so I'm just gonna start out with a spoon. We'll see how it goes. Nice. Oh, oh, got it, oh! Yeah, but it got off. Oh, I got one. Yo, got it. Yeah. Ooh, seems pretty big. Oh, we got it, guys. We all know. Ooh, it's a good one. Should we keep it? I think I'll let this one go. First one, so I'll let it go. Oh, second nhẹ chán, but don't. I got it. Don't put your rod tip too high. Oh, they're really small. I think that's why. They're eating jigs right now, so. Oh, this one's good. Oh, this one's good. This one's good right here. Yeah, this one's good. This one's good size. Oh no, popped off! Oh my god! Alright, guys. Okay. Come on. Come on, let's get on them trouts. Come on. Hopefully that's good enough. Come on. I lost a good one earlier. And I broke off one. Hopefully these trouts though. Ooh. Got it! Yeah. Ooh, you saw that jump? Damn. This one's really small though. Yeah, this one's small, guys. Look at the net. Land this one. Yeah. It's not too bad, but it is kind of tiny, so throw this one back in. Oh, I got a bite. It's all 100%. This one's really small though. Oh, it is small. They're over here, but they're really tiny, guys. You guys see that? Really tiny trout. Alright, so that's what we're doing. Let's go open water and see how it goes, guys. Casting it towards the open water. Whoa, I think that was here. Whoa. I think I felt a tug. Oh shoot. That's one. Yeah, that's gotta be one. Oh, I don't know. I can't really feel it. Well, that better be one. I don't think so. Huh? Yeah, I don't think so. I think my Kastmaster got messed up. Oh, actually, it is a fish. This guy didn't fire at all. But this one's good size though. Oh shit. Oh, this one fights pretty hard too. I thought it was like a branch or something, you know, because this guy wasn't fighting until he got really close to the boat, to the kayak. I mean, oh, I gotta get this one. This one's good. Let's fight it. Come over here. This one's good size right here. If I can land this one. Ooh, this one's good size. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. That's a nice one right there. I'm gonna have to get my pliers. I'm gonna have to retie too, messed up my line. Look at that, guys. Nice one. Oh, it's biting, There we go. Might be a small one. Feels really small. Yeah. Oh shoot. Grab this. Hope it's a decent one. Ooh. Actually, you know what? It's decent. I'll take it. Not too big, but it's really fat, so I think I might just take it. I don't know, man. I just have a feeling that these trouts are near the shoreline, you know. I don't know, guys. That's just what I'm thinking right now, but I could be wrong. Oh my god, that was a bite. Oh my god. There we go. I was right. I knew it. It's over here, Bison. I knew they were like along the shorelines. Just casting jigs. Because I think they don't want the Kastmaster for some reason. Oh my god, this one jumped. Ooh, got it. Alright guys, 3 so far. Are you kidding me? Dude, it's right here, guys. I don't know why they're not hitting. I just got hit. Come on, that's it. That was weak. Dude, just right there. There we go. Is that good one? Looks like it's me. That's a good one. Hell yeah. I'll take that one. Ooh, pop right off too. You know what, this one? I might release this one right here. It doesn't look as good. I'm gonna release this one. There you go. I was just trolling for fun. I actually caught one for reals. Seems like a good one too. This good one. Ooh. Oh my god. It just got right off. Alright, Bessie. This one right here. Watch, it's gonna happen right now. Yeah. I told you it was gonna happen. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I just got my limit right now. Check it out. Pretty nice too. 4.5. Alright guys, so that'll be it for today. If you like this video, you know, click that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. So until next time guys, I'll see you guys again. Okay, Alia, we're glow, huh? No, it's okay. Just do, no, too fast. Don't roll too fast. We'll go constantly. Is it? Just like that. Yeah, like that. Just keep on doing that. Don't bite. Oh, there's one right there. You see that? Just keep on doing it. Oh, you got it. You got it. There we go. There we go. Okay, slow down. Don't do it too fast. You're gonna break it. Không giờ kia, một con này giờ kia, số con bắt đây. You got it. Don't worry, you got it. All right, nephew first fish. You got it? Yeah. It's a nice one, huh? Yeah. Okay, Tolo. Give me the net. Okay. Let out some lines. Told you. You believe me now? Yeah. Told you gotta work it slowly.